Riots have broken out at Oahu Community Correctional Center as COVID-19 cases in the jail continue to rise. The Department of Public Safety says 4 more inmates and 2 staff members have tested positive, bringing the total to 200. Inmates say they're being denied food and showers, and inmates who test positive aren't being separated from those who test negative. This is the Hawaii Supreme Court will review a list of inmates to possibly release from the overcrowded jail tomorrow. Nikki Schenfeld joins us with more.
Corrections officers, inmates, and their family members are all very concerned about what has transpired at OCCC in the past week. One inmate describing it as complete chaos. The Department of Public Safety says COVID-19 has created tremendous strain on the overcrowded jail. Quarantine lockdowns, cramped conditions, combined with stress has led to inmates becoming restless and agitated. Since Saturday, 3 fires have been set by inmates with no serious damage reported. One inmate says the COVID outbreak has caused total chaos inside the facility.
I'm going on 4 years right now, and I've never seen it like this. I mean, this is kind of crazy, and we don't have COVID-19. And they're supposed to freeze all movements, but then they're moving us out to the COVID-19 areas where they're on lockdown and quarantine, and that's not right.
He says they aren't being allowed showers or provided masks and being refused medical treatment. He says ACOs aren't showing up to work out of fear of catching the virus.
They're supposed to check-in, supposed to be every 15 or 30 minutes. We're lucky if we see an ACO every 6 hours.
Dr. Scott Miskovich said he tested several ACOs at a drive-thru today and is shocked the entire facility hasn't been tested yet.
That is wrong, and that is putting everybody at risk. That's probably why there is a spread.
On Monday, the Supreme Court will be given a list of potential inmates to be released from the jail. The Office of the Public Defender reassured the public that violent criminals or inmates charged with offenses against a person would not be considered for release at this time. But rushing to release inmates is a concern for some.
Of course, we understand the immediacy of the threat. But the immediacy of the threat to someone else's life or well-being is something that we should be equally invested in and committed to.
No, these people need to be released now. There is not time for a full background check. And if you look at some of the categories that we've identified, some are people who are pretrial. They haven't been convicted of anything. They're just too poor to afford the amount of bail that's been set in their case.
Inmates who know they are not eligible for release say those who test negative should be released right away.
Put them on house arrest. If they have an address to go to, put them on house arrest. Give them this is like a death sentence right now.
We'll follow up with the Supreme Court's decision on Monday. Nikki Schenfeld, KHON2 News, working for Hawaii.
Nikki, thank you.